Alright, today, boys and girls, in our lesson, we are going to be using our arrow cards. Remember, our arrow cards are our green, yellow, and red cards in our back. And we're going to be using these cards today so we can tell the value of each place to tell the expanded form of a 3-digit number. And we're going to be successful when you can write the expanded form of a 3-digit number. So if we remember that expanded form is that it's when you write the value of each place using an equation. So it's when I have my place value, I think about what is the value of the hundreds place, the tens place, and the ones place, and I write that down. So Miss Wilmeth, I went ahead and got my arrow cards ready. So our numbers today, the first number I'm going to look at, I'm going to build. I have 473. So if I look at the arrow cards I have, I know that the green represents my hundreds place, the 7 is my tens, and the 3 is my 1. And so when I look and I pull these apart, and they show me the value of each place. So I know that when I have 4 hundreds, the value of 4 hundreds is 400. And then I have to add the tens place with it so I get it. So I know that I have 7 tens, but really my value of 7 tens is 70. And then I have to add with it my 1. So I know the value of my ones place is 3. So I know that my expanded form telling the value of each place. So I have 473. And I know that 400 plus 70 plus 3, when I put my arrow cards all back together, I know that I get 473. Well, when I look down here, I have my number name again. So I have 920. Well, to use my arrow cards to build 920, there are my arrow cards to build 920. When I look at this, I see that I have 9 hundreds, 2 tens, and 0 ones. And remember, when I'm doing the expanded form, I'm telling you the value of each place, and I'm writing an equation to show what the value of each place is. So I have to add them together to get a total value of 920. So when I separate them out, I see that I don't just have 9, I have 900 is the value of my hundreds place. So I'm going to write 900 plus I have to add the value of my tens. So originally when I covered this, it looked like I only had 2 tens. But really the value is 20. Plus, if I look, I have 0 ones. So I'm going to add 0. So I see that when I have 920, that I have 900 plus 20 plus 0 equals 920. So remember today when you're doing expanded form is telling the value of each place, and you want to write an equation to show that you're adding each place together to get your total value.